So I am so glad you joined me today. And if not, if you're watching this on video, my name is Laura Poland. I'm a registered dietitian. It's been a while since I've kind of hung out with you guys and let you know who I am. I've been a dietitian for over 30 years, and I am in private practice, and I enjoy working with my clients individually and helping them establish a healthy relationship with food and to make sure that they're meeting all the nutrients that their bodies require. So I thought I'd get on today as we head into the holiday season. I kind of wanted to talk about a few things that we hear a lot. A lot of times we talk about, what you will be eating this holiday season, how to make traditional recipes healthier. I basically want to focus on 3 simple steps that will be especially important to help you survive the holidays. And you don't have to change your traditional recipes to make them healthier. So basically, the 3 steps that I recommend focus on structure. What we want to do is have our holidays to be structured. Number 1 is eating consistently. Now, it is November, and we are getting in the biggest holiday that comes up next is Thanksgiving. And I know so many of you have this urge to skip meals during the day so you can save up for that big meal. Number 1 habit to get you through the holidays is to eat consistently. And what I mean by that is eating within 1 to 2 hours of waking up, and then eating a meal or a snack when you're hungry, or at least every 4 to 5 hours throughout the day. After 4 or 5 hours, our metabolism slows down. Remember, metabolism is what calories burning in your body. Your body's burning calories. So there are 2 things that we do every day that impacts our metabolism, or the rate at which we burn calories. Number 1 is being active, right? The more active we are, then the more we will move, and then we will burn more calories. But secondly is eating. Like I mentioned just a minute ago, after 4 or 5 hours, your body will slow down how quickly it's burning calories, because if it's not getting food, it's going to go into what we call kind of a little starvation mode, and it starts conserving energy. So now an added benefit of eating throughout the day and not letting yourself get too hungry is gaining control over your meals, so it's easier to eat. Based on my plate. So this is my next habit that I like to talk about, is balance your plate. Eating based on the plate method will ensure that you are nourishing your body. The fruits and vegetable focus, as well as when possible choosing whole grains, will increase fiber. This helps make you feel fuller and more satisfied with your meals. With a focus on nourishing your body, first, sweets and treats will be easy to control, not eliminate, right? So we want to enjoy the holiday season. I enjoy treats. We all enjoy treats, right? But we're not going to get out of control with those treats if we're nourishing our body healthy first. So what works for me is the goal of having a sweet or a treat immediately following when I eat a meal or a snack, and a healthy snack. Sometimes I think we need to define what a snack is too. A snack should be about 2 or 3 of the food groups that you see here on the My Plate for snacks. So basically, this works for me because if I'm hungry, I want to feed my body first, and then I will still want the treat, and I can have the treat, but I'll probably be much more satisfied with just a little bit of the treat or a good portion size of it and not overdoing it. Okay, finally, my 3rd habit to focus on is to be active. Being physically active throughout your entire year is important in maintaining our body weights. The American Heart Association recommends that children up to 18 years of age get at least 60 minutes a day, and adults get at least 150 minutes per week of moderate or vigorous physical activity. So keep your family physically active when the weather gets chilly. Right now we have beautiful weather, and when we have beautiful weather, definitely take advantage of it. But when you have the cold weather and you have snow on the ground, I'm sorry, I said the 4-letter word snow, didn't I? But you can do so many other things too that are fun. You can go sledding, you can ice skate, even shoveling the snow. That's great exercise, and it's a great way to be active. Going for an afternoon or evening walk in the brisk, cool air. And then if you don't like the cold weather, then maybe focusing on going to a local community center for a game of indoor basketball, or, with your friends and your family. So there's a lot of activities that you can do. What do you guys enjoy? Can you put those in the comments section? And hopefully I will see those comments as they come in. Feel free to let me know, what do you like to do to keep active during the holiday season? All right, so that's it. Those are my 3 tips for surviving the holidays, and honestly for surviving and nourishing ourselves day in and day out. It doesn't really matter whether it's the holidays or not. It may seem very simplified, and I know it's more complicated than that. That is why I'm excited to announce that I will be leading a group of 20 participants starting January 10th for a dietitian-led 3-month group program. Ben Franklin has been quoted as saying, "Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn." And that's my hope, is that we're going to have a great group program together, and that's what will help you get involved in your nutrition habits. So in this program, just to tell you a little bit more about it, let me show you that. You will learn to establish healthy habits that will help you have a healthy relationship with food and live your best lifestyle. You will review your status on 8 habits, such as eating balanced, meal timing, fueling your workouts. Then each week, with the oversight of the dietitian, you will create goals to improve your habits, taking from where you are, one by one, to firmly establish that healthy lifestyle. So please note, this program is not eligible for insurance. I can work with you individually during this program with your insurance if you want individual information, such as, how many calories you might need, or eating to prevent diabetes or something like that. But for this reason, the dietitians will be able to work, though, in the 3-month program. I can work with anyone outside of the state of Ohio, as well as anyone in the state of Ohio. So I hope you will consider working with us. The class size, again, like I mentioned, will be limited to 20 participants. It is a fixed start and end of the program. So we do start January 10th, and we will finish up March 31st. And just so you know, the details, you can find them on my website as well. But the first payment will be collected at sign up, and then monthly until 3 payments are complete. I do have a Black Friday and Cyber Monday small business promo that I'm doing for the rest of this month. So sign up by December 1st and use the promo code JUMPSTART100 to receive $100 off your first month's payment. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. I haven't seen any comments coming in yet on what activities you like to do, but certainly if you have any questions for me about surviving the holidays or anything about my 3-month program, you can learn more by jumping on and heading out to my website. I will put my website down here for everyone to go to. And wait a second to see if there are any questions. If you are watching this and it is not live, feel free to put a comment in, and I will see it later, and I will respond to your comments as they come in. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this presentation on how to eat healthy and survive the holidays and beyond. Thanks, everyone.